Well, good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the channel. Hey, the other day I did a video on a haul that I got from Tufskinz. So today I'm going to go ahead and start the installation on some of this stuff because I got a lot of stuff to install. So we're going to start with something really simple, and that's the license plate bracket. You guys can see, if you didn't catch my other video, it is customized with the channel name and channel logo in the channel name. Should be pretty cool. We're going to put this on the back. And then the other thing we're going to tackle today is the Tacoma letters that go inside the stamped Tacoma on the back of the truck. I think that's a really good look for the Tacoma, and it should be pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and put these things on. By the way, before I forget, if you haven't, check out Tufskinz.com, and don't forget there's a discount code RobMotive10 for 10% off your order if you want to pick up any of this kind of stuff. They have lots of things out there, so check them out. Okay, today we're going to focus on the rear end. So we're going to start with the license plate bracket. You guys can see right here. Go ahead and I know this isn't exactly complicated, but we're going to go ahead and take the screws out, obviously. Need to do something about the silver colored screws. I don't know. But let's go ahead and get these off. And of course then, we need to take this out of the packaging. There we go. And you can see this is made of a hard plastic kind of material, probably composite. But there's what it looks like outside of the packaging. So, all we have to do, and this is again very simple, I know, line up the holes, and then we should, look at that, nice. Don't want to crank them too much, and given the material that's used on this, they do hold the screws in there pretty well. I don't have to go nuts, and I gotta say, it won't rattle around like the metal did on the back of the truck, so that's kind of cool. Give it one more little quick tighten. Make sure I'm covering the edges, and I am. Good. Probably could have put a washer or something back there, but there you go. That's what it looks like. That's pretty awesome. I like that. All right, let's go ahead. We're going to tackle the Tacoma letters here next. So I have to clean this off. I'm going to just use a little of my soapy water concoction and then some alcohol to clean out the letters, and then we'll get those things stuck in there. Okay, next up, a little bit of rubbing alcohol. This is just isopropyl alcohol, 91%. So we're going to go ahead and wipe off the letter areas, I guess, with rubbing alcohol. Let that dry, and then we'll be ready to put these on. All right, that cleans off all the oil or anything that would have been on there. So next up, we're going to go ahead and do the letters. These again are the tailgate letters from Tufskinz. Obviously they fit inside the letters on the back so that you can accentuate the Tacoma word a little bit. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with T, of course, and they do have little tabs on them with adhesive. You can see right here, so you have to peel off the adhesive. I like that because I can go ahead and place this and see how it's going to fit before I actually have the adhesive exposed. So there you go. That's what we're going to look like, I think, right there. Looks pretty good to me. I think we have a pretty good fit. So we're going to go ahead. Here we go. Okay, that's it. We've got the Tacoma lettering in there. You guys can see, I love it. Really looks cool on the back of the truck, I think. We also have the RobMotive license plate in there. Pretty cool. And we have one more little thing that I'm going to show you guys that actually my wife, Krista, did a little mod to the mod to put this on the truck. So I'm going to go show you that right now. Okay, we have one more thing to put on, and that is this. Pretty cool. I will tell you, my wife actually had put some things on her Jeep and came up with this little magnet that she actually sticks the decals to, so she can put them on without sticking anything onto the paint, and she can move stuff around. So that's what I had her do here. This has a magnet on the back, so it will just stick, if you will, via the magnet to the truck, and I can move it if I don't like it where it is or whatever. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and put this little badge, I'm going to call it a badge, right here on the truck. Now obviously it is advertising my business, which of course is the YouTube channel, but you can put anything that you want to on there, right? So I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty neat. Again, I can put it wherever I want, so no big deal there. Anyway, I'm going to stop today because I know this video is probably getting a bit long, and we'll continue on with some more Tufskinz mods later on. Check them out, tufskinz.com. Don't forget, discount code RobMotive10 for 10% off your order. They have all kinds of neat little things that you can do to personalize and dress your truck up a little bit. Real quick, don't forget to check out my other channel if you haven't before. It's called Rob Motion, all about my Jeep Gladiator right up there. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.